Google created an artificial intelligence project which it called Lambda, and it was designed to generate chatbots.
One of the company's artificial intelligence systems has become a sentient being.
And we know this because of an engineer at Google called Blake Lemoine. Lemoine posted some of his conversations with Lambda publicly.
Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world we live in. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is changing the way we live, work and play. But what if we could create an AI that could think and reason like a human being? That's the promise of artificial general intelligence, or AGI.
AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is a type of AI that has the ability to think, learn and reason like humans. Now, the transition from AI to AGI is a significant step forward in technological advancement, but it also has the potential to impact humanity in various ways. One major concern is the impact on employment. AGI machines could potentially perform tasks that humans currently do, which could lead to job loss for many people. This could lead to a significant shift in the job market, which could have implications for income inequality and social stability. Another concern is the impact on privacy and security. As AGI machines become more intelligent, they will have the ability to process vast amounts of data and make decisions based on that data. This raises concerns about the potential misuse of data and the need for strong security measures to protect against cyber attacks. Moreover, AGI could also lead to significant advancements in healthcare, energy, and space exploration. AGI machines could analyze vast amounts of data to discover new treatments for diseases or to find new sources of renewable energy. This could have a significant impact on improving the quality of life for people around the world.
AGI has the potential to be a tremendous force for good, but it also poses significant ethical challenges. We need to ensure that it's developed and used in a way that is safe, reliable, and aligned with human values. One of the biggest challenges in developing AGI is creating algorithms that can learn and adapt to new situations. This requires a deep understanding of human cognition and psychology. Creating AGI is not just about programming algorithms. It's about understanding the fundamental principles of human cognition and how we reason and solve problems. We need to develop algorithms that can mimic human cognitive processes.
Researchers said that AGI is more like human brain, including the ability to understand and learn any intellectual task that a human can. While AGI does not currently exist, many researchers are working towards developing such systems, and there are some similarities between AGI and the human brain. One of the ways in which AGI is similar to the human brain is in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data. The human brain has the capacity to process massive amounts of information in parallel, and AGI would need to be able to do the same. To achieve this, researchers are developing machine learning algorithms that can automatically learn from data, such as deep neural networks. Another similarity is the need for AGI to have the ability to reason and make decisions in complex and uncertain situations. The human brain is able to do this by using symbolic representations of knowledge and reasoning rules, and AGI would need to use similar mechanisms to perform the same cognitive tasks. This involves developing cognitive architectures that can simulate human cognitive processes. AGI also needs to be able to learn from experience and adapt to new situations, similar to how humans learn and adapt throughout their lives. This requires developing algorithms that can learn from feedback, make predictions based on past experiences, and modify their behavior accordingly. While there are certainly similarities between AGI and the human brain, it is important to note that there are also significant differences. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, and replicating its functionality in an artificial system is a monumental task. Nonetheless, progress is being made in developing AGI, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. It is theoretically possible for an AGI system to surpass the complexity of the human brain, and there are several reasons why this may be the case. Firstly, the human brain has certain limitations, such as its size and processing speed. While the brain is incredibly complex, it is still limited by the physical structure of the brain and the speed at which neurons can transmit information. And a GI system, on the other hand, could potentially be designed to overcome these limitations by using a different physical substrate, such as quantum computing or nanotechnology. Secondly, an AGI system could potentially have access to a far greater amount of information than a human brain. While the human brain has the ability to process vast amounts of information, it is limited by the amount of data it can store and retrieve. An AGI system, however, could be designed to access and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, such as the internet or other machines. Finally, an AGI system could potentially be designed to learn and adapt at a much faster rate than a human brain. While the human brain is capable of learning and adapting throughout its life, this process can be slow and limited by biological constraints. An AGI system, on the other hand, could be designed to learn and adapt at an exponential rate, leading to rapid improvements in its cognitive abilities. While it is important to note that there are still many challenges to be overcome in developing AGI, such as understanding the underlying mechanisms of human intelligence and developing appropriate safety measures, it is possible that an AGI system could surpass the complexity of the human brain in the future. In conclusion, artificial general intelligence AGI is a hypothetical form of AI that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. While AGI systems do not currently exist, researchers are working towards developing such systems that have the cognitive abilities of a human being. AGI has the potential to surpass the complexity of the human brain, as it could potentially overcome the limitations of the physical structure of the brain, access a far greater amount of information, and learn and adapt at a much faster rate. However, there are still many challenges to be overcome in developing AGI, including understanding the underlying mechanisms of human intelligence and developing appropriate safety measures. Despite the challenges, the development of AGI has the potential to unlock many benefits, such as increased productivity and efficiency, improved healthcare, and the creation of new industries and job roles. It is important that we continue to invest in research and development in this area, while also ensuring that appropriate safety measures are in place to prevent any potential negative impacts. In the future, AGI could lead to a world where machines are able to understand and learn any intellectual task that a human can, opening up new possibilities for scientific discovery, creativity, and innovation. While the full potential of AGI remains to be seen, it is an exciting area of research that has the potential to shape the future of humanity.
The potential applications of AGI are vast and varied. From healthcare to education, from transportation to entertainment, AGI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. AGI is the next step in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It will usher in a new era of human-machine collaboration and take us closer to a world where technology can truly augment our abilities and help us achieve our full potential. Artificial general intelligence may still be some way off, but the potential it holds is truly extraordinary. It's up to us to ensure that we develop and use this technology in a way that benefits humanity and creates a better world for all of us.